All right, guys, welcome to another unboxing. This one is the Anker Power Atom 3 Slim. That's a mouthful. Basically, it's a 30-watt power delivery charger with USB-C. So this was on sale on Amazon.ca for 25 bucks. This is a GaN charger, G-A-N. So it's pretty slim, very compact. So when I travel, this will be awesome to have with me. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. So I don't have my knife with me, so we're gonna have to destroy this box.
This is terrible, I'm sorry. I just too lazy to go get my knife.
So yeah, that's pretty small. So here we got some instructions. This is a charger, so it shouldn't be all that hard to use. This is the size of a camera battery pack. This is extremely small. That's pretty cool. It has a little texture on it. All right, fold out plug like that. So this is 30 watts. The one that I have right now, which is a lot bigger, is 60 watt. Let me go get it so I can compare the size of the two. So I also bought this on Amazon a while back. This is also a GaN charger, but it's 60 watts on this port here. So I can charge my laptop and my phone at the same time. As you can see, it's a lot more bulky. And also what's really nice about this one is that it'll sit flush on the wall. Now I do want to charge my MacBook with this, and I don't know how long it'll take to charge from 0 to 100%. All right, sorry for the cut here. I did some testing and it does work pretty well. I let my MacBook go to a 1% battery and then charge it with this thing. And it took about 2 hours to charge it to 100%. So yeah, works pretty well. Didn't get warm or anything. And just to compare it to the original MacBook charger, you can see that it's slimmer. It's a bit taller, but yeah, overall it's more compact. And it didn't get as warm as this one. So yeah, this is also 30 watts. And there's also this neat little LED light just to tell you that it's plugged in. So yeah, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Anker PowerPort Slim 3. Take care. See you next time.